everyone, welcome back to IP Creation Australia, and today we are going to showcase Mount Schank, and this is one of the Australia's oldest volcanoes, and this was erupted about 5,000 years ago. So there's a walking track to go up to the crater of the volcano, so I'm going to take you guys up there, and we will fly the drone over it to look at it from the bird's eye. So we're gonna go for a walk and see what we can discover. So we are going on to Mount Schank walking trail. Mount Schank walking trail. And here is some of the information about the area, the habitat, the European settlement in the area. All the information is on this board. So here we are. I'm gonna go on this walking trail and slice through the time. There's a notice board there. You can't take the horses, no bicycles, no motorcycles on this track. This is just the early morning time, and it's just beautiful, peaceful. There's a lot of little birds flying around here too. I can hear them chirping. They're full of nature. I'm gonna show you something. Look here. There she is sleeping. What are you doing there, Vaughn? Vaughn? Why are you waiting for me?
Because I'm not going up the big track without you.
Which big track?
Here.
This is the walking track. There's a wallabies there. There he is. I'm going to show you the wallaby. See if we can find him. The little wallaby just sitting in there. Yeah.
See, there's been something here.
Yeah, there was something there. As longer it wasn't a snake. As longer it wasn't a snake. There are a lot of snakes around the area too. You need to be careful. Always with the enclosed shoes and long pants. walk around the rim of the crater and we see what else we can find here. It's a beautiful walk and the viewing platforms all around here. Absolutely stunning walk. So guys, the track is not maintained past this point. If you want to go to the center of the crater walking down, so I don't think I want to take a risk today. So we're just going to walk around the rim a little bit and then we'll try to head back to the car park. It's not good taking risk up here and putting extra pressure on the emergency services if you don't have to. So we're just gonna be smart and just enjoy what we can without taking the risk. Look at here, this tree. Don't know the name of this tree. If you look at it, it's just beautiful, isn't it? A magnificent nature here, isn't it? Look at this. Beautiful. Every bit of this crater rim is just magnificent. The view, you can see the view behind me. And there is a hill, if you can see in the distance. That's where the valley like is in Mount Gambier. That's about 11 kilometers if you look in a straight line from here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't already. And thank you very much for your support. And keep watching IP Creations and the journey to the Mount Schank, one of the volcanoes in Australia. It was erupted 5,000 years ago. So we are just walking around the rim of the volcano. We are on the top of the crater in Mount Schank. This is amazing. The history. 5,000 years ago, this volcano was active. Straight path here, little bit narrow straight path, as you can see. You can see the farming landscapes in the distance, and there's a coastline too, about 10-15 kilometers from here. This is very adventurous, and this is the first time I have been here, and I'm really loving it. But just be careful where you're walking and what you're doing, because some parts are really, you can sleep and really enjoy yourself. So always take your time and then just enjoy the view and the scenery. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you like the Mount Schank, the scenic walk, and the walk around the crater rim. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you very much for your support. And keep watching IP Creation Australia. See you next time. Take care till then. See ya. Bye.